What is up, guys? It's Tommy Bigg Vic. We back in the building with another video. Today we can really switch it up a little bit. So I know a lot of you guys are starting YouTube channels, and if you're starting a YouTube channel, I want to show you kind of like what you can potentially earn with certain videos. So not all videos will make a certain amount of money. A lot of times it does depend on the genre that you're in. For example, if you were making like music production videos and you have a channel and you get a certain amount of views, those views, the CPM for those type of videos may not pay as much as, say, a beauty channel or a finance channel or a trucking channel, or things that have, you know, that cost a pretty decent penny that advertisers want to pay to be on those channels. So a lot of these factors play a big part. So what I want to do is I want to show you guys one of my videos that I did over 220 some thousand views for. It's probably like my best performing video that I have right now on YouTube. So I want to kind of go into my analytics and show you guys what my CPM look like, especially in this industry. And for some of you guys that have trucking channels already, you can kind of get a gauge of what type of income is potentially possible to make when you get a certain amount of views. So we're gonna jump over to the computer and see what it is. We're gonna go ahead and jump in there and show y'all what that bread look like, because I know that's why you clicked on this video. So let's get it popping. Let's go.
It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What's up, guys? Let's jump right into this video. So if you take a look over here, you see this video got 226.6 thousand views, right? Not only that, it's earned me $5,251.68 since I created this video, right? So this video for me was sort of like viral for me. It went kind of like viral. It went bananas. All right, it did go kind of bananas for me as a first time. For me being a creator for over 10 years on this platform, but I was in a different space and on the music side of things, and for me to jump into this space and see one of my videos do this was kind of like insane to me. Like it's still unbelievable right now. It's like you kind of sort of crack the code just a little bit. That's what it makes you feel like anyway, you know. So as you can see, with this video, the first day, this video jumped to 3,000 views in day one. 6,000. It was doubling every day. First 7 days, video did 30,000 views. Crazy. So here we go. First 30 days, almost 90,000 views in the first 30 days. Talking about a hot topic. And from there, it just went on to go. It's just been doing crazy numbers ever since then. But this one video got me 6.5 thousand subscribers, you guys. 6.5 thousand subscribers. That's insane. Over 18.3 hours of watch time. And let's take a look down here. Retention wasn't too bad. The retention wasn't too bad on this video. Wasn't too bad. So you can see 61% of viewers were still watching at around the 30-second mark, which is pretty good. That's why they say the first 30 seconds of your video is very important. First 30 seconds is very important. Like, watch popular videos. Check out the intro of most of those videos when they come on. I'm not talking about like an introduction like how my videos come on. I'm talking about a person actually talking or whatever is happening in the first 30 seconds to keep you watching that video. That's what's very important when it comes to engagement on YouTube, right? So this video has performed really well, still doing well for me. This is, like I said, this is my top performing video. And if you look here, just to give you guys a different look at what this video is doing. Now take a look at the CPM. Take a look at the CPM, $37.02 as of right now. So per 1,000 views, the CPM for this video is roughly about 37 bucks. Roughly 37 bucks. Well, actually, this is what advertisers are paying roughly per 1,000. Advertisers are paying roughly 37,000. I said 37,000. Advertisers are paying roughly about $37 on the CPM side. You know, so for every 1,000 views, they're paying about 37 bucks, right? To advertise on my channel. And then my CPM is, well, RPM is 23.21 per thousand views. So this is pretty decent. It's pretty decent for one video. Mind you guys, this is for one video. This is not for 1 month. This was for one video. So collectively, I believe that month when this video started taking off, I believe my month was about four grand that month. Crazy. That was insane for me. Like, I had never made that type of money through just YouTube advertisements, through my YouTube, through Google, from YouTube. I had never made that, never got paid that much money from YouTube ever. So it was sweet. It was sweet, very sweet. But here's the bigger part. Now you have to create, you know, continuously create videos that generate like that go into those type of views, or at least a collection of videos that, you know, start ramping up in views and viewership and people watching those videos and engaging with them. And the more people stay on those videos, the more YouTube promotes it on their homepage, because they say, hey, people are interested in this video. So this is why we try to get viewers to watch as much of the video as they possibly can, as long as it's not boring them too much, but to watch as much as they can, because when you guys do that, this helps the algorithm. This helps YouTube say, hey, this is a good video. People are commenting on this video. I want to say that video right there got over 1,000 something views. Like, it's still, as you can see, people are still commenting on this video. Somebody just left a comment 26 minutes ago. You know what I'm saying? So, like, I couldn't stop this video right now if I wanted to. It's gone. No brakes, no brakes and no gears. It's like a train with no brakes and no gears right now, man. It's gone. It's in the wind. That video's in the wind right now. So, listen. This video is just to motivate some of you guys that have YouTube channels. You're looking to, or you guys are trying to grow your channels, and certain types of content people like to watch. There's certain type of content. You have to look at the patterns of different videos and views that these videos get. You know, just wanted to show you guys this as a, you know, a little motivation, because I know a lot of people do not show how much money they made on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not gonna show you every single month what my YouTube check looks like, but this was my biggest month was about 4 grand. And this video right here contributed to a lot of it. Matter of fact, this video is still contributing to a huge portion of my YouTube income. So learn from this video. CPM is everything. A lot of times it depends on the genre that you're in. You know, that CPM depends on which genre, what type of YouTube channel you have. You know, I know when I was doing more music-based videos, the CPM wasn't very high for those type of videos. but I still created those because I just love creating production, you know. So CPM is very, 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 very important. Very important. It's crazy because I seen a video not too long ago. A guy that did a video similar to this one on YouTube had over 1 million views. The video made less than $200. You see what I'm saying? And it was just kind of like a interview type of video. It wasn't based around money. It wasn't based around none of those things. And the CPM was bad, very bad on it for 1 million views. That's crazy. You know, and a lot of times it's the country that you're in. You could be in another country and get 1 million views, but the CPM is not as high because of the country that you live in. So there's a lot of different factors, You know, study this game, study the YouTube game, especially if you have a channel and you're building your channel up. Study the game, because believe me, there's smaller channels that make way more money than some of the bigger channels that you see. Believe me, they do, based on the type of YouTube channel that it is. Pay attention. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just want to drop that on y'all. I know this will excite somebody, motivate other people that have YouTube channels, that's just starting YouTube channels. Listen guys, it's possible. I've been on the platform 15 years. There's people that have been on this platform a year with over 100,000 subscribers. Some 6 months. So a lot of times, guys, depends on the type of YouTube channel that you have. Depends on the channel, you know. So hey, I played around with YouTube for the first, I don't know how many years when I started, but then I started really taking it a lot more serious. Content is king. Content is king. Remember that. Content is king. Make sure you guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Also, make sure that you guys drop a comment down below. If you have a YouTube channel, drop a comment down below. If you got a smaller channel but it's doing really well, your CPM is great, hey, drop it down below. Let the people know what's going on, all right? It's the homie Bigg Vic TV. You already know what it is. Always hustle, never stop growing. Till the next video, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.